Here I know people again. Yeah, I just changed battery. The battery done, so I'm still there. That's how I'm going to stop because I stand up right there so I change it. So this is it. See the things I'm going to hold it up there. Yeah, so the line for go up on the London Eye there. Yeah? So the line right there, so there. See it? This is the line for get inside it. Look how it long. Yeah? Me personally, I think I've been inside it about 2 or 3 times already. So. Yeah, me and my family. Been in it about 2 or 3 times. Yes, this is it. This is the London Eye. See people in my line up and I go in there. See them there? Yeah. That's how slow it moves. People in the line. And sun a shine. Yeah, so the Westminster Bridge over there today. We don't look on this bridge and go up. So we are left the London Eye here. The line is not done till the morning. The line not done till the morning. See it go straight across me, then I just go pass through it. See that? A line, them crowd of people here for the London Eye. See that? What's Charlie Chaplin? What's Charlie Chaplin? We make him laugh. No one else. They're not supposed to laugh, you know. Someone you love, if not they breathe tonight, boy, I don't even know the trouble me I can get in. Cause this brother here sing a song. Okay, back at the Thames again, right at the London Eye. See the right there, so there. See the London Eye there, so there. Yeah, that's our platform. And you see zuku go up there, so. Yep. Westminster corrupt probably there, cause the Westminster Corruption Parliament, the cross there, so side of Big Ben there. Construction work going on over there, so there. Them purple place. Yeah. Oh, wow, some music again. Oh, mama. So me a little pick me always want to go on one of them carousel. And I know me still go on one. But me not go on this today. You can't go on it, but me not go on it. Apple waffles and donut. The big box. Snap frozen yogurt.